It's a shrimp dish perfect for this time of the season, but you can serve it anytime. Our chef Scott is in the kitchen right now.
Hi, Chef Brad Scott from the kitchens of Scott Community College, and you know how I love my one-pan cooking. Well, today's no exception. Let's get started. I've got some beautiful 16 to 21 shrimp already peeled and deveined. 1621 refers to how many shrimp per pound, and these are beauties. I've got some melted butter already, but I'm going to add a tablespoon to it for a total of about 4 tablespoons. I'm going to add my shrimp. Now, this won't take long. I'm going to pop a little garlic, a quick mince, and right into the pot. Quick stir. I'm going to add a tablespoon of cilantro, a teaspoon of coarse black pepper, a pinch of red chili flake, just for a little spice. I'm going to tear up some fresh mint, and I'm going to squeeze about a half a lime right into the mixture. Now comes the good part. I'm going to add a shot of tequila and a half a shot of triple sec. And we're going to let this render down. And that's all there is to it. I'm going to put about a 1/4 cup of cooked rice in the bottom, maybe a little more. I'm going to add about 6 or 7 shrimpers right on top of the rice. I'm going to finish by putting just a little juice over the top. How simple is that? Margarita shrimp. Jimmy Buffett would be proud.